I want to show you a soft dosa. Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. I want to show you a soft dosa which is called Avalakki Dosa. I'm using raw rice and avalakki, the beaten rice, some sour curds and some methi seeds. First I will be washing the rice and soaking it. Where I want the rice to be washed thrice and a clear water should come. Next step is again I'll wash poha. I will now soak the methi seeds, the fenugreek seeds, and for this washed beaten rice I shall add some sour curds, here it again depends on the temperature outside. If it is summertime, definitely not to use sour curd. If it is winter, rainy season, you can use sour curds. I will soak this for 4 hours and then grind it to a paste. After soaking it for 4 hours, I have drained the water and adding the yogurt and the beaten rice mixture. I'll mix these two. In a blender or in a grinder, I would just grind methi seeds first and then add this mixture and make it to a fine paste. The batter is ready. It is smooth and fine. I will sprinkle some salt . And allow this to ferment for at least 8 hours. I have this fermented batter, fluffy and fermented well. Now it's ready to make dosas. Switch on the hob. She'll sprinkle some water and wipe it on a dry cloth so that no oil is there. Oil. I would cover this and cook. A soft dosa ready to serve.